that drink seals the marital oath. There are two things that are blessed. And these two things are among the four things that are going to Igbo. Igbo na-agọ ọfọ, Igbo na-agọ mmanya, Igbo na-agọ ọjị. Mgbe agọrọ ọfọ, jiri mmanya jiri ọjị gọ ọfọ, wee nye gị ka ị nwụọ to seal your marital oath. I were ya wụọ n'ala. Or you say you don't drink alcohol. I were ya nye somebody else, onye ahụ anwụọ ya. Onye ahụ abala in a marital arrangement or covenant with your wife. And you think you're smart. You're not. You cannot be smarter than your ancestors. I hope you have seen this video. I posted the video yesterday on my Facebook platform, and one of my friends, my dear sister from Iselu Bitime, they like to call themselves Isele Jesus, but it is called Isele Bitime. So she asked me to please, can I explain what happened here? What happened was that during a marriage ceremony, traditional marriage ceremony, the drink is blessed, and the drink that is usually blessed is manyanku. The big ceremony is called Ibamanyo Godo Godo. Some call it Ibanku, depending on the dialect of the Igbo language you speak. But this ceremony is centered on carrying of drinks. Which drink? Palm wine and cola nut. Not Five Alive, not Ever Juice, not Chivita, but manyanku, straight from nature. After the priest in the event, now the priest in this occasion is the oldest man in the gathering. After the oldest man in the gathering has blessed this cup of palm wine, in our part of Igbo land, it is done inside the father's house. Asking her to go and present to the person he intends to marry, and she goes to him and presents this cup of wine. It is a blessed cup of wine. She presents it in a humble way. She can bend, she can kneel. He collects this wine, drinks and gives to her. She tastes from it, gives to him. He drinks completely and gives to her. It is important that the two of them drink from it. Now, what you saw in this video that I played earlier is that the young man exchanged that cup of drink with another cup, not the blessed one, and then he drinks and gives to his wife. Now he has successfully rendered his marriage invalid. It means the oath he is supposed to take with his wife, because that drink seals the marital oath. There are two things that are blessed, and these two things are among the four things that are going to Igbo. Igbo na-agọ ọfọ, Igbo na-agọ mmanya, Igbo na-agọ ọjị. Mgbe agọrọ ọfọ, jiri mmanya jiri ọjị gọ ọfọ, wee nye gị ka ị nwụọ to seal your marital oath. I were ya wụọ n'ala. Or you say you don't drink alcohol. I were ya nye somebody else, onye ahụ anwụọ ya. Onye ahụ abala in a marital arrangement or covenant with your wife. And you think you're smart. You're not. You cannot be smarter than your ancestors. You don't drink alcohol, no problem. Nobody said you should finish the entire cup. Tell them to bless the drink with the quantity that you can drink, because you must finish that drink. You will not pour it on the ground. You will not also give it to somebody else to drink. It is not a duty that you should delegate. And for the people who drink alcohol outside, but they say they cannot drink this one because their pastor said their village people, you know, their in-laws are wicked. Some of them are witches and wizards. They will end up poisoning you. I pity you. I pity you because you are so ignorant that you married into a family that you do not trust. How can you cope up? Very soon you start having children who will go on holidays to this family that you don't trust. Family of witches and wizards, according to what they told you. Because you couldn't accept a drink from them. I have two daughters. And I wonder the kind of in-law that will step into my house and I bless a cup of drink and give to him. And he says he is not going to drink. He's not ready to get married. It is our culture and you must have to abide by it. Culture is very dynamic, but this one has remained one of the most enduring aspects of the Igbo culture. I just wish to use that moment to clarify this so that we don't get it misunderstood as always. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Onwadene Ngozi Chukwuka, and this is Enuani Cultural Forum, where we promote the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. Until next time, if this is your first time of coming across our videos, please double tap on the video to give it thumbs up, share to your audience, and please, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button now and press the notification bell so that when we put out videos, you will be among the first set of people to see the video. See you in our subsequent videos. Bye.